I have something fun today. Halloween. Well, all right, some stuff for Halloween. Got an unboxing video. Hope my, yeah, okay, good. My stuff shows all right there. I'm looking forward to this. So a few weeks ago, I guess it's been a few months now, I bought my video lights so I could do my home studio. They've been awesome. They get a lot of mileage. This, I hope, is like Christmas. Oh, God damn it. That's a packaging win. I think I'll need a 10-year-old in order to open that thing faster. Okay. This should be... Are you fucking kidding me? Okay, so make sure this shows real well. I got a big ass box just to carry this in it. A little overkill on that, fellas. They didn't even put anything in there to make it so it doesn't wiggle around. I'll give that a 7 out of 10. Anyway, LED party UV bar 8. Got this one Amazon order. Ah, yes. I opened the right end. It has the plug. Those are probably the instructions. Whoa. User manual. That's going to go over there with that. Okay. Let's take a look at this. The lights they look pretty good. Not sure what the little knob is on the end, but there's two of them. Probably describes that in the user's manual. It's got the handy dandy and trusty twist tie that keeps your cord together. Great. I wish I knew what this stuff was. I could do so many things with it. But it only ever comes in packages, and I don't know what it's called other than packaging stuff. I want to find out how powerful this is before I open my other stuff. So, plug this bad boy in. Mayhap I should have got the extension cord. Put it on the table because I know that that's viewable. We'll fire it up. Boom. Oh, it's instantly purple. How's it showing the... Yeah, it's all right. And light number 1. Light number 2. Oop, bump the tripod. Seeing how my stuff looks in it. Oh yeah, that makes a shit ton of light. Okay, and that's without directing it. Oh yeah, that totally CSI my room here. Good thing I've been keeping it clean. That's all I can say about that. Okay. Wow, look at that. See if the scissors show up. Yeah, those are hella pink. Yeah, they go from pink to like, wow, pink. All right, I'm gonna do the rest of my unboxing in the dark. Crash. Trip over my microphone. So what I want to do, or what I'm looking forward to doing, there's no want to do, throw that up there with the other stuff, is I'm looking forward to doing airbrushing and body painting. I went so far as to buy an airbrush. Got the stuff in the back there. Want to make sure I got UV reactive paint. And the only way to find that out is to UV reactive paint it. Well, marvelous item number 6. Let's see it. Okay. This is supposed to be tape. That is, again, UV reactive. Let's see how well that, boy, that really shows up. Like, the camera doesn't do it justice, like how much it, let's see the distance, I don't know. Try that. Yeah, so that's a little bit closer to what I see naturally. Turn this around so the, oh damn it. It's an unboxing video. Let's open the package up. Okay, try that. Yeah, too much reflection. Try that. How about half that many? There we go. Yeah, that's some good looking colors right there. You have some fun times with that. Definitely plan on some fun times with that. Set that to the side. Also in this box, I have UV body paint, neon glow, black light reactive. And, oh boy, howdy is it. It is almost that glowy in person. So again, we'll cover up about half of them. Yeah, that's about what I see with my eyes. My poor iPhone is not made for black light. This is a set. Do not separate. It's mine now. It's sort of like the remove, do not remove tag from pillow. I'm putting another package. I don't know what this one is. It's not fragile. As I throw it on the floor, spike. Oh, right. I know what these are now. As soon as I hold one in my hand, they don't look like much, but they are, in fact, everything that might be important. They're pasties, because body painting might require some shenanigans of moderate nakedness. So to get it closer to the R-rated or PG-13, some coverage is necessary. I'll put that aside so we can look at it when I turn the light back on. Ah, this. Another bag with more options. Set that bag aside so that I remember which one is which. I already prepared, knowing that I would need batteries. Got a stack of them over there. Okay. One, Two, Okay, batteries are installed moderately easily. And on switch. How's that look? Okay, so camera picks up about the intensity that I have it at. However, I got this so that it would show up in the black light. If I turn the light off though, which I will do momentarily, Shazam! How much light do we have from that? Still not bad. The ambient light is from my monitor, so I can see my dorkiness dancing around here in the dark. Yeah, but this is pretty Marvy. If you've never worked with EL wire before, that's what this is. And this one, I believe, is the white color. I'll fire this one off. Boom. What? No, I don't want blink. No, I don't want that. Off. Thank you. The next item up for bid is, oh shit. It's a big square, 12 by 12. It is stencil plastic. I think it's got a piece of cardboard on the outside. I'm going to set that one aside also to look at in greater detail in the light. That one goes away. Packaging material goes that way. Bag number 2. Not sure what's in it. I can't read my notes that I put a little bit too far away in normal handwriting instead of big handwriting. So I can't read it in the dark. And oh shit. Yes, it came early, motherfuckers. This bag says the word glow line. 100 feet black light reactive 6mm hollow core rope. Put that over there. See how well it shows up. Yes. That's going to be worth further inspection. And this, you can see it. I can see it anyway. Now I'm excited to find out. Prop this up for a second. Yeah. The orange is so good, it glows through the goddamn bag. That is amazing. It, yeah. That's how bright it is. Maybe a little bit more bright in real life. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's not supposed to be here yet. And that brings me to box number 3. If I can open it without breaking the stuff in it. 1, 2, yes. Okay. So that box is now empty. And there's a dead soldier. I will do the EL wire first, as it is going to be not nearly as exciting as the other thing. As I fiddle with my batteries, the other thing is specific additives for glow or for body paint, airbrush paint. So airbrush body paint, airbrush makeup. Let's see if I describe the whole thing right. So you put a couple of drops in there for mixing so that your color, whatever color it is that you already have, isn't going to change, but will now be UV reactive because that's what that jar is. And here's my now green, yes, EL wire. It's a little darker in person than it is in the picture. So picture does not do it justice. Move that a little further away. Yeah, camera doesn't pick up the glow very well. But, oh yeah, I can see the dark sludgy stuff. This one's by Mayron because if I needed liquid makeup that is off-brand, let's see if I get close enough, that's not from my #1 brand, then these guys are to swear by. The ones that I got particularly is DINAIR, and this is their, this is supposed to be the effects makeup. Oh yeah, that, well for me it glows, it's very purple in the white jar. Oh yeah, it shows up much better there. Anyway, you can read their name. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's excellent. So this is supposed to be white. This, however, goes in any color and will make it glow as something. I have no idea. Oh, yeah. But there's no marble in that one. Good to know. Shut this off real quick. Yep, same 3-button toggle. And back to the studio lights. #1, #2. Yep, still shows well in room light. Shows extremely well in room light. It doesn't glow quite the same, but still does. Set that bad boy down. Do not need that package anymore. These are my pasties. I got a kit of them They're different heart shapes and circles, or flower shapes, I mean. See if I can light this up better. There we go. The black light makes the umbrellas stand out really well. Yep. I'm not going to open this because it's a piece of cardboard followed by another piece of cardboard. Inside is my 12 by 12 stencil making material so that I can begin to cut out my other stencils. And in my handy dandy drawer of magic, I bought some other things that I'm super looking forward to. Let's see how they show up in the black light. Yeah, that's all right. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's really great. The purple, not so much. Even on camera, the purple, definitely not so much. I'll give it a try anyway, though. It'll contrast really well with the orange. Shit, I think one of these is blue. And looks purple. They both do. And this one also looks green, and I don't know what color it's supposed to be. Cheating. Green, yellow, purple, blue. So that answers that question. And, oh, right. Now for the moment of truth. Since I finally got my, how's my glycerin? I got some glycerin so that I can, it is slightly UV reactive. That's handy. Pulled this over here. Gotta move my camera like a bad soul. That's super bad. And then tip down. And the reason that I got it for is this guy right here. I'll be body painting in this color. And it should be that color when I do it. Same with this blue or pink. Oh yeah, those are, the camera does not do the justice for that, but that's what I bought the black light for. Is my airbrush is right back there, and those are all my mini paints. So we'll show it in the daytime. Yeah. Oh, I gotta stop doing that. It's totally party foul. And this is gonna be my light up the night stuff. Do some highlight that with the rope in decorative ways. Same thing with the EL wire and the tape. Ah, the videos that come afterwards are gonna be so much fun. Glitter. The glitter is not working in a black light. That's okay. Yeah. So that's my part of my Amazon review. I bought all this stuff, so to hell with them giving good feedback or not. I paid full price, and I'll get off of that. Man, these colors are really great. Yeah, I'm gonna be having a fun time later. That is for sure. Have a happy Halloween, everybody. I'll be doing this until Mardi Gras, and that's another 4 months. Yeah. Good night.